I'll go through how you can send calls to a particular list of contacts using an Excel file. Let's start. This is the first page you will see when you go to the Send Calls page. When you arrive on this page and want to upload a file, click on the plus icon or click to upload file. This will open a window where you can select the file you want to upload. If you accidentally upload the wrong file and want to change it, click on Remove Files. This will remove the uploaded file, and you can then upload the correct one. Once the file is uploaded, the Next button will become visible in dark blue. Click on it to proceed to the next page, which contains the phone number and voice selection. A default phone number and default voice will already be selected for you. If you do not want to send the call through that phone number, click on the phone number field. A drop-down will appear with available options. Select the phone number you want to use. Next, click on the voice option. If you do not want the default voice, choose any available voice you prefer. For example, you can select Tanner British. Once selected, move on to the next step, the Pathway and Data Mapping page. On this page, you will choose a pathway. Click on Choose a Pathway, and you will see all available pathways. Select the one you want. For example, you can choose General Pete and Gabi, or any other pathway you prefer. The system will automatically map the data from your contacts file and preview the data that will be sent. If you want to run a test call before proceeding, click on Test Calls and enter the phone number you want to test with. Make sure the number you enter is your own. After entering the number, click on Send a Test Call, and a test call will be sent to that number. Once you are confident that the data from your Excel file is correct, you can click Next. If you do not want to manually enter data and prefer to use default values, you can select the option to use the default values set for that pathway. If you accidentally select the default values and want to switch back to your own mapped data from the Excel file, click the option again to restore the mapped values. After clicking Next, you will reach the final page. This page allows you to review all the information you have entered. Check that the file name is correct, the phone number you are sending from is correct, the pathway is selected correctly, and the AI voice is correct. You can also review how the data from your Excel file is mapped to the appropriate fields. Once you have checked everything thoroughly and are confident that all information is correct, click Send Calls. This will trigger and send the calls. That's how the process works.